My name is Peter Crosa. I am an independent insurance adjuster, and I have been for all of my adult life. About 20 years ago, I wrote a book called Soft Selling Hardened Claims Adjusters. And what that book was about is to show restoration contractors how to work with insurance adjusters, how to find them, how to build relationships with them, so that when they're in the field and they encounter an adjuster, they will get the most optimum benefit from that relationship building. The jobs will go smoother. The payment will go smoother. And so that's what the Restoration Strategies Workshop is all about. You've probably been to a lot of conferences. I know that you guys in the restoration industry do a lot to improve your certifications and your professionalism, and that's very commendable, but you've never attended a class like this. I am the only adjuster in the entire country who is willing to talk to the restoration industry, and I have been for the past 10, 15 years, about how to build relationships, how to find adjusters, how to work through the tough spots. If you've ever been to a claim where you didn't know the adjuster and homeowner called you out of the what used to be the yellow pages or out of your website directory, and you encounter a strange adjuster and you notice he won't talk to you, he won't make eye contact with you, he doesn't want to scope the loss together, understand that he sees you as the enemy. And so what I talk about is how to change that demeanor right from the beginning. There's something you could do right from the beginning of that contact to change the scope of that relationship. And that's what this workshop is going to be about. Nobody else in the country is talking to you like this. They can talk to you about sales and marketing, and that's important. That's very important. But they can't talk to you about the mind of the adjuster, how to work the adjusters. And let's face it, you want to work with adjusters because they spend a lot of money. My name is Peter Crosa. Some people call me Pete Crosa. I want to see you at Restoration Strategies Workshop, and it's going to make a difference in your life. It's going to make a difference in your business.